Alright, today guys I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper for this is S-Class. It's the W220. So first guys, you may need to remove this plastic cover, but it's not mandatory, so it just depends with you. For the access of the stuff which in here, you might need to remove it or not. Also guys, you will have to remove the side covers, the cover which covers the sides. That's both sides, it's left and right. So you can begin by opening this stuff right here, and then you can sit down there. So when you sit down there guys, you can see some bolts here. I'm going to explain to you in a moment where these bolts hold, and which one is a good method for you to remove the bumper. So there's two methods guys. There's one removing only the plastic bumper, and then there's another one guys for removing the bumper plastic together with the back frame. And that's more I find that much more easier, because I don't have like to remove a lot of plastics and stuff in there. So I'm just going to walk you guys on the whole process. So the first thing is once you remove the cover from both sides, you can see bolts on each side. So there's one on the left, there's one on the right. So literally you take your time guys. Also guys, there's some hidden bolts which I'm going to show you in a moment. Like right here, there's a bolt which is inside here where this plastic seal cover is. So I'm going to just pop it out, pop the cover out, and then I'll show you in a moment. Alright guys, don't mind my lighting. I hope you guys can see well. Alright guys, this is a bit tricky, but yeah, I hope you have a nice flat screw, flat Phillips. Just use it gently, and then just try popping it out, just slowly. Yeah, this one is taking me a while, and yeah, it's a bit long guys, so when it comes out you'll be able to see how it looks like. Yeah, here it is. I pop it out. So once this guy guys comes out, you can just push it on the side, and then you look through the hole right there. Then you can see a third 16mm ball. That one holds the frame. You do the same for the left side. You just pop it out too, and then to give you access to the 16mm, which is going to be down here. Yeah, here we go. So this one just came out nice and clean. Alright, so I have to put this to the side, and I check down there to make sure this is what we're looking for. Alright, there we are. There you go guys, you see that's a 16mm socket. And then so all in all guys, for the whole bracket thing, you have to remove 3 of them. There's on the side. And then for the bumper thing guys, there's a 10mm, this right here, one on the left and then one on the right. Just below the one for the brake lights is a 10mm guys. Don't mistake it for the brake light thing, which is 8mm. Okay, you come outside next to the tire, the rear tire, and then you just look just underneath. You just pry the plastic cover the side. There's a 10mm which goes up here. I've already removed this one, so I'm just going to show you in a moment how I pulled it out. So this is it guys. You just use a 10mm socket and you pull that one out. So once you do that, it gives you like a small access. That shows you guys there's still some bolts holding from the inside, so I'll show you that in a moment. So if you look down here guys from below, you can see like to the side, to the other egg, to the far end, there are some bolts which have come like all the way. Yeah, if you just have a close look, I'll just show you the same guys from top, from the trunk. Inside the trunk you'll see them. So there are two kinds of cars. There's some cars which have two balls from the inside, and then there are other cars, guys, which have one ball. I'll just show you in the moment how they look like. So you pull out this cover, guys, you take it out from the way, give you access to the back right here. And then when you just look above the battery, just right here, there's a 10mm bolt. That one, you open it, and then next to it, to the side, to the left, there's another one there too. So some cars have two, some cars have one. So you just go with what your car looks like, guys. So you come to the left side, there's two, this one which is hidden just deep inside there. So you use guys, a small 10mm which can access the place. You just use it like that, you push it all the way. Wow, it's a bit of work, but you just take your time, and then just take it slowly. Then once that one is out, then you can do the rest. Alright, guys, I think I've removed all the three balls which are going to be on the side. One you open from below, and then two you open from inside, you can see from here. And then what's remaining holding, guys, is 10mm, two 10mm if you're just removing the bumper alone without the frame. But if you're removing the frame, you have like six 16mm bolts, three to the side, three to one side, three to the other. So guys, this is what I've been showing earlier on. That's the ball which was remaining from the other side. And then so this, guys, is the one which is we opened, is a 10mm which is showing now. So you take that out, and then you take it out. There are two, one on each side next to the brake light. That one I've already taken out. So I'll look for a prying tool, and then I can also, guys, that's an important thing right here. There is a wire going to the bumper. This wire is just right here. You disconnect it from the trunk, you just unscrew it. Yeah, once you unscrew like that, guys, it's free to go. So that means when you take out the bumper later on, it's not going to hang like on the bumper and not let it go. So it'll be easy. The bumper will just get off easily without any problems. So once you take all these 10mm, two of them on each side, and then you take the ones outside, and then you take that out. So for those people who want to remove the frame, you take the 16mm out, and then it will come out with the frame. But those ones who just wants the bumper alone without the frame can just pull it out from at this point. So but I'm just going to show you for those who are going to take with the bumper, with the frame. So I'm just going to open this 16mm, get them out of the way, and then once that is done, guys, I'm just going to show you when the bumper is out. Okay, guys, here we are. So what remains is just to pry it out. So just pry it slowly, and you just be careful it doesn't fall on you. So once that's out, guys, this is how it looks like when it comes out with the frame. Yeah, the frame goes in here. That's the three bolts from outside. That's how it looks like. And then here guys, these are the clips on the side. So sometimes when you pull it out, there's something which might be holding. Those are the clips. Just make sure when you're putting back, you just align them well, and then your bumper will get back nicely. So make sure you take it out from